Microsoft Visual Studio latest version 2026 uninstallation completely in your PC and laptop. Desktop Windows search box lo enter Visual Studio installer. Third option Visual Studio installer. Select Visual Studio installer window lo right side third button more right side down arrow click. Second one uninstall option select. Uninstalling window lo first button OK click. Visual Studio installer window lo first button yes click. Visual Studio Community latest version 2026 uninstalling Microsoft Visual Studio 0 to 100%. Uninstallation process start. Wait and here few minutes. Control panel open install Visual Studio Community version 2026 and related Microsoft.NET SDK latest version 10.0 from Visual Studio. Next, Microsoft Visual Studio installer. 3 applications uninstallation start. Control panel window minimize. You haven't installed anything yet. In case reinstalled, select from available option. Select individually installed this application. Present window close. File Explorer document open. Left side this PC select. First one new volume C select open. Program files folder select open. Microsoft Visual Studio select. Mouse right click. Delete icon click. IS folder select. Right click delete. Next IS Express folder select. Mouse right click. Fourth icon delete click. Keyboard shortcut key Windows key plus R key. Press run command. Window display. Enter percentage app data percentage. First button OK click. Roaming folder related window display. Visual Studio setup folder select. Mouse right click. Fourth icon delete click. Next Microsoft folder select open. Visual Studio folder select. Mouse right click. Delete icon click. Next top section lo app data folder select. First one folder local select open. Visual Studio internal installed tools ASP.NET select. Right click delete icon click. Microsoft folder select open. Visual Studio folder select. Mouse right click. Fourth icon click. App data folder reselect. Local folder select. Open. New get folder select. Mouse right click. Delete key press. Next window close. Desktop file explorer document reopen. Left side this PC select. First one new volume C select open. Users folder select open. First one system user folder PC select open. First .NET folder select. Second reselect folder delete key press. Documents folder select. Visual Studio 2026 internal project files and coding files saved directories. Necessary these documents don't remove. Unnecessary remove. Select mouse right click. Fourth icon delete click. Window close. Desktop Windows search box lo enter Visual Studio installer. First option related right side window lo options display. Third one open file location select. Bottom side last one Visual Studio installer select. Mouse right click. Last icon delete click. Next Visual Studio 2026 folder select. Mouse right click. Fourth icon delete click. Next Visual Studio folder select. Mouse right click. Fourth icon delete click. Window close. Installation process completed. System restart must now.